Good morning, Paul. Hello. Hi. You just had breakfast. Shout out to the homie that commented about the water clarity in the last video. Somebody was like, damn, that water is super clean.
I thought you meant like it was dirty and then
No.
decided to clean it.
No, somebody was like, that water is so clear, and that's what I said before. I was like, dude, there's like nothing in that water. Homie's like chilling with the Fiji water in the tank. Good morning. We're starting off the day with the GTR. Let's go. I'm so behind in my vlogs and editing and everything, so by the time that you guys see this video, probably already saw the GTR. But if you guys are only following the YouTube channel and the vlog channel specifically, maybe you haven't seen it, so here it goes. Woo! Check it out, guys. Brand new, freshly wrapped from the homies over at Premium Auto Styling, and man, they freaking killed this thing. We went with the blue raspberry. I think it's either, what was it, 3M or Avery?
I think 3M.
3M probably, I don't know. But what I do know is this thing looks amazing. And they did some black accents, as you guys can see. Check that out, boom, boom. It's a little dusty because yesterday, man, it was, we're clearing out the exhaust a little bit, We also added the GTR badge, boom. And now I think the big wing, it suits the car a lot more. I don't know. There was a die-cast model of the GTR and it looked very similar to this. If I could put a picture, I'll put it, boom, right there. So that's what it reminds me of. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Before this Varus kit, this part right here was black, and now they matched it to the body, so that looks cool. They did the black accents on the mirror. What else did they do? Oh, they went ahead and surprised me, and they did all the interior LEDs. So that was super cool of them. The way I explained it yesterday is that this is like something I would play with as a kid, and then now just seeing it in person and it's actually mine, it's like, it's a dream come true, man. Went ahead and I told them, hey, put the banner on. Premium Auto Styling. If you guys ever need anything wrapped, definitely make sure to check them out. They're over in Riverside, I think. I'll have their Instagram down below in the description if you guys want to check out their shop. I'm from the Bay Area, so I went ahead and I made the drive out here just because I know the quality of their work is absolutely insane. I love the team over there. Say hi, Colin.
Good evening.
Good evening. So yeah, man, that's why I choose Premium over any other shop, and I'll bring all my future cars to them as well. Wow, nice t-shirt, dude.
Yeah, thank you.
Where'd you get it? Shopstiltopia.com. Okay. Dude, sit in the front. Oh, do we need a mask?
Yeah.
Fudge.
They opened the...
Do you have an extra mask in here?
Of course.
Okay, we good. We chilling. The chariot has arrived. Since you guys are seeing this video a little bit late, basically I'm just doing a little prank on you guys. This is the photo that I'm gonna be posting. Obviously that's not the right color. I edited it. It's a little shit, not gonna lie. But I'm just gonna post, the eye emoji and call it a day, and we'll see what the comments say. Ooh, kind of nervous. You guys ready? You guys have to repost it so it looks legit. Oh, there you go. Oh, maybe I should tag Premium. I'll tag Premium. Make it look more legit.
Oh, yeah.
Boom. This color actually does look sick though.
Next color?
The turquoisey green.
I wonder how many people are gonna be like, oh, it's fake. It's
No, they're not gonna say it's fake. You guys were going in hard on me for this edit yesterday, so we'll see. We'll see if somebody calls it out.
I called you out.
What?
Fake.
You're still mad.
Remember the last time?
What?
When people were commenting.
On David?
No, on yours.
Oh, on mine? Yeah, people believe it, dude. It looks real.
They're like, I knew it.
All right, we'll tap in with you guys in a little bit. We're gonna go eat because we're hungry. Let's go eat. Oh, I feel so bad.
Why?
I don't know.
People are
It feels dirty. Homie said, I feel like you're pulling another Tesla color trick on us. Shout out to Ramirez.
I was thinking purple again. You should have done the purple one. Show them.
Oh yeah, I got a purple one on
no,
here.
do a second one. JK guys, this is the actual reveal, and post the purple one.
Dude. And then the third reveal, they're not gonna believe it. Mr. Dan Thank you. Mr. Dan said this is fake. All right, so we got 2 people so far. Everybody else, comment if you guys see your names. Everybody else, leaving some nice comments. Now, it would suck if, you know, people actually like this color more than the actual color. That would kind of suck, but so far, everything is good. All right, you already know it's tradition to hip pepper lunch with the homies. Make sure you guys ask for the extra butter. You guys can have some of this too. And you gotta drench it with the sauce. The boys are hungry, so we're gonna get this in. And then I'm gonna catch up with you guys with the fresh comments in a second. All right, I'm posting the real picture now because I feel bad.
We should just comment. You lied to us again?
No.
Unsubscribing.
No. Okay, so we have the fake one, and now we have the real one, all right? There you go. This is how the wrap looks outside in the sun, and it's like an electric blue, man. This thing is crazy. We captured it yesterday in, you know, the last video, but since this is the vlog channel, this video might be out a little bit later than usual. But this is how it sits in the sun. Ooh-wee. Thumbnail. Ka-chow. You like the smell?
Smells like a race car.
We're going full Fast and Furious mode today, baby. Colin's taking the M3 out. Yep. Look at this color. This color reminds me of my Evo. We're about to get some carbon bits installed today. He already has a bunch of carbon, but I think he's gonna do some interior stuff. Just a quick look. If you guys want to follow him, boom, right there. Mean boy.
Cold start, huh?
Cold start, baby.
Jesus. We are in the M3.
Yes, sir.
What does it feel like to get gapped?
Shut the fuck. What's up, dude? This is a full car vlog today, guys.
Keep the carbon fiber on the front.
Damn.
I like it.
It's mean. That's sick. What do you guys think? The red interior too?
The H2 too.
Really?
That's crazy.
Well, look at that! Look at that thing in the.
Oh, that's sick. Is this the Instagram right here?
Yeah, it's the company Instagram.
All right, company Instagram. Hit him up. Carbon Parts. This is the man behind all of it. Damn. What's up with the license plate? You get it painted like that or what?
Wrapped.
Oh, you wrapped it?
Yeah, it's not like yours though.
Hey, no, but it looks dope though. Yeah, that shit looks
drive it
sick.
as bike, so like, hopefully nothing happens when I do drive it.
It looks like a special edition or something.
Carbon fiber Alcantara e-brake handle, and this is the OEM stock one.
Stock? This is your old one?
Yeah.
And this is the new one. Wow. Wow, dude, kiss me already, dude. Damn, hit up Colin for interior goodies. Now it looks super nice. Carbon, carbon, carbon. Alcantara. Alcantara? So fancy. Alright, dude, chill. This has been in my head all day. You know, like the action scenes where somebody's stealing something? Dun, 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 dun. I made it. We're about to run some errands and I need to let this camera charge. So you guys are gonna stay at home and I'll be back in a second. Oh, so we're back at home now, and in the past couple hours, your boy spent some money.
A lot of doll hairs.
A lot of doll hairs, and you might be asking yourself, Alex, what did you buy? And since you guys are the vlog, you guys will see this maybe early, I don't know, but I ended up getting a Red Cat 1964 Chevy Impala. But I think it's gonna be super cool. I also thought it was cool that it matches the GTR with the blue. So I'm gonna be doing a unboxing on the main channel. So yeah, we're headed to Angel's Crest in a little bit, but look how fancy this microwave is. Keep this, guys. When have you seen a microwave that looks like this? Whoa. Just gonna eat some tacos real quick. Quick little tacos, quick little snack before we do the shoot. And we'll tap in with you guys in a bit. We're low-key in a rush because it's about to be golden hour pretty soon. Driving to Angel's Crest right now. We got Colin in front of us. Ripping through the canyons, GTR vibes. Dude, it feels like we're playing a video game. So there's a skid pad up here. Should be cool for pictures. I got my drone. We're doing a lot today. A lot of car stuff. If you guys enjoy the car vlogs, smash the like button and let us know. Look at everybody pulling up. Huh? I don't either.
It's a Ferrari, too.
Yo, this is crazy. Everybody is taking off here. We're waiting for the sun to go down. See, the sun's still kind of crazy. Let's get the cars taken off. Real life Fast and Furious. Gentlemen, the sun is slowly starting to set. You guys see it right there? It's gonna be super dope. I'm gonna try to fly a drone all the way through here. Maybe if we want to get really fancy, I'll try to follow the cars while I'm flying the drone. I don't know if that's doing too much. Hopefully I don't crash it. But yeah, man, it's super peaceful out here. Like, let me just be quiet for a little bit. Super nice. Some people are crazy. They're ripping it on this corner turn right here is actually low-key dangerous, man. Make sure you guys are following the homies. I'll have their Instagrams in the description down below.
Just keep going straight. Turn. Yeah. Yeah, right there. That's perfect.
Look at this. Whoa. That's insane.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the end